Hi, my name is James Miller and welcome to Implementing Azure Cognitive Services for Language. Right, before we get started, let me just take a moment to introduce myself. My name is James Miller and I'm a freelance software developer with over 10 years experience in developing production-ready, highly scalable software applications for companies across the globe. I've been working with Azure since the beginning, and I also have extensive experience with Amazon Web Services. I studied AI at university in Oxford, and I'm super excited to be teaching it here now. I'm passionate about the cloud and Microsoft Azure in general, and I really hope that some of that rubs off on you throughout this course. If you want to get in touch, and I hope you do, then you can reach me on Twitter. So let's take a look at what we're going to cover on this course. There's lots of very exciting stuff to look at, so let's dive in. In the first section, we're going to look at Azure Cognitive Services and talk about some of the key features and benefits, how we authenticate requests, and the business application scenario that we're going to be using in this course. In section 2, we're diving into text analytics. This is fascinating as it allows you to really understand raw text and draw meaning from it in our code. Applications today are used across the world by people in different regions using multiple languages. Section 3 shows us how we can use the power of the cloud to globalize our application. In section 4, we look at how businesses can protect their brand by checking images, text and videos for profane content and fixing errors in text automatically. Then we look at Bing Spell Check. This amazing service uses machine learning algorithms by the vast power of Bing to check spelling and grammar. It also deals with slang and common expressions. In the final section, we look at the Language Understanding Intelligence service. We really do save the best till last, as this is an amazing service and it allows you to add natural language processing to your application. So to get the most out of this course and to follow along with the code examples, you really need access to Visual Studio. Now this could be running on Windows or a Mac, it really doesn't matter. Visual Studio Community Edition is fine, and it should be at least the 2017 edition. You should also have some familiarity with Azure and some basic C# coding skills. Hopefully you'll also be really excited about adding amazing new features to your applications. Now by the end of this course, you'll be able to identify language, intent, entities, and more in raw text. You'll be able to detect language and perform translations in over 60 languages, spot profane content in text, images and videos, and fix mistakes in text automatically. You'll be able to check spellings and grammar, and understand how to add natural language processing to your applications.